Alright guys, today in this video I'm going to explain to you what the difference is between a 3x and a 12x funnel and how you can scale and how you can implement and how you can literally turn that 3x ROAS funnel into a 12x ROAS machine step by step. Because if your funnel is stuck at that 3x or 4x return on ad spend, that's not a market problem. That's not ad costs going up. That's not algorithm bullshit. Your system is just not built for making money. And today I'm going to show you how to turn that weak, inconsistent, fragile 4x ROAS setup into a clean, predictable, boring as hell 10x to 12x ROAS machine. For coaches, agency, info products, whatever digital product you sell online, the mechanics are always the same. And no, you don't need a big team. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a real system in place. So let's break this down. Let's first break down what a 3x to 4x ROAS funnel usually looks like. Normally, people have a very simple setup. Top of funnel and bottom of funnel. That's it. No middle, no system, no machine. Only two steps. And on the other side, you have a real funnel. Top of funnel to middle of funnel and to bottom of funnel. 5 steps. That's the 10x to 12x funnel. Most people only have 2 steps in their funnel. And that's the reason why they stuck at a 4x ROAS. Because what they do is this. If they have a VSL, they try to improve the VSL. Because they think the VSL is the problem. Or they switch into a webinar. And sure, it's great to experiment, it's great to test, but at the end of the day, your profit margin isn't going to increase much and your income is not suddenly going to jump into the 100. People also think that they have a traffic problem. That's why they start to post insane amounts of content, or even worse, they start to increase the ad spend. But 99% of them do not have a traffic problem. So what do they have? They create more ads, they create more content, they throw gasoline on the fire that isn't even burning. 95% of the time, it's not the traffic, it's not the ads, it's not the niche, it's not the timing. It's your infrastructure. Let me tell you something. The real money doesn't come from increasing your ad spend or optimizing your VSL or your webinar over and over again. Because 97% of the people who enter your top of funnel, the people who see your content, your ads, maybe even click onto your profile, never make it to the bottom of your funnel. That's it. Those 97% that leak out of your funnel on exactly those cracks, those are the people who help you to hit 10x, 12x ROAS. Those are the people who help you to scale 6 figures per month. Those people you must use. The real money doesn't come from generating more traffic or pushing out more top of funnel content or ads. It comes from capturing the 97% who fall through exactly those cracks. And why is this such a big problem? Because in your current top of funnel, you basically only have ads to content, to link to VSL, to a booking page. That's it. That's literally a 3 touch point funnel. No system, no machine. You are just hoping. Please let the person who saw my content click the link. Please let them watch my VSL so they eventually book a call. That sounds like a fucking lottery ticket. And that's the reason your ROAS is stuck. And this is also the reason why guys like, for example, Alex Hormozy, Russell Brunson, Dan Kennedy say you need at least 7 touch points before someone buys. And look, let me be clear. As I already explained, a 4x funnel isn't bad. It's just incomplete. A 4x funnel doesn't fail because it's broken. It fails because it's unfinished. It's like building a Lamborghini and forgetting to install the engine. It sounds good. It looks good. Your brand is clean. Your content is clean. But the damn thing doesn't move. Why? Because the middle of funnel, the real engine of your entire funnel and the conversion infrastructure are missing. And that is the difference between someone making 20k per month and someone scaling to 150k per month using the exact same top of funnel traffic. Let's get one thing straight before we start. You don't scale a coaching business by posting more or running more ads. You scale by building railway systems, a system that multiplies touch points without multiplying your workload. This is how you turn a simple 4x funnel into a 12x railway system. Not by working harder, not by spending more, but by creating more automated touch points, more personalized touch points, more emotional touch points, and more reasons for someone to move forward. Do that consistently and suddenly your funnel prints money. Simple. Not easy, but simple. A misconception that I see online is that a lot of people think that those 12x railways or funnels are fake. Do you know why? Because most coaches only look at short-term attribution. They analyze their ads like e-com brands. Did someone buy right after the ad? Did someone book a call the same day? Did someone opt in from that one creator or reel? Guys, we're selling high-ticket transformation, not fucking socks. High-ticket buyers need multiple exposures before they trust you. And here's the real number. Your buyers need 7 to 12 exposures, 2 to 3 proof moments, 1 to 2 personalized interactions, 1 trust trigger, 1 safety signal, and 1 emotional push. And then, and only then, they will eventually buy. Another misconception that I see online is this entire buying process can take 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or even an entire fucking year. The biggest operators in the world all say the same thing. Real ROAS isn't immediate. Real ROAS is cumulative, touch point on touch point, proof on proof, signal on signal. This is why Ad Manager attribution is not real ROAS. Ad Manager shows who converted instantly. Railways show who converted because of you. That's the difference between amateur numbers and operator numbers. So let's get into the blueprint. This is the core framework, a clear step-by-step blueprint. Step number 1, fix your top of funnel. Top of funnel is not for selling. Top of funnel is for grabbing attention with absolute clarity. Your top of funnel has one job: bring the right problem-aware people into your world. Not everyone, not whoever clicks, just the right 20%. Your top of funnel content must do exactly 4 things: teach one insight, break one misconception, introduce one new possibility, and point to one bigger solution. That's it. Most people overload their top of funnel. That's why they fail. Step number 2, the middle of the funnel. This is where 99% of the coaches die. They have content, ads, and a link to their VSL, but they have no middle of funnel. Middle of funnel is where attention turns into trust. Your middle of funnel needs 6 components. Number 1, the profile funnel optimization. Your profile is not a profile, it is a landing page. It needs a clear promise, clear authority, clear pathway, clear structure, and a clear CTA. If your profile is unclear, nothing else matters. An additional misconception that I see online is that most creators put their CTAs into every piece of content. Unfortunately, the algorithm naturally will kill their reach and tank your organic growth. That's why I recommend you to place CTAs in stories, in your highest value reads, but also very rarely, and in retargeting ads. And whom to retarget? You must retarget people based on their temperature and at what level they currently are in your funnel. Where you could send them is either directly to book a call or to a lead magnet that actually converts. No PDFs, no checklist, no 5 tips. You need something with emotional weight, a framework, a blueprint, a free course, something that makes them think, holy shit, this alone is worth money. With the lead magnet, our goal is to get them into our DM. Why? Because once they are in our DM nurture sequence, your setter multiplies touch points. You create human connection at scale, you warm up cold leads instantly, you convert curiosity into demand, and most importantly, you build trust in real time. Your setter becomes your middle of funnel engine. This is the reason 12x ROAS exists. Step number 3, bottom of funnel. This is where money is printed. Your bottom of funnel includes VSL or webinar, maybe even both, a discovery call, a sales call, a guarantee, a safety signal, maybe even an offer stack, and bonuses. But the most important part, bottom of funnel must be predictable, repeatable, structured, measurable, and constantly optimized. A weak bottom of funnel equals a dead ROAS. A strong bottom of funnel equals infinite ROAS. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Most coaches don't have a ROAS problem. They have a discipline problem. They want fast money, low work, high ROAS, perfect leads, no friction, no resistance. But they don't want systems, tracking, infrastructure, consistency, optimization, and feedback. You can't have a 12x ROAS system with a 2x discipline level. It doesn't work. But if you're willing to build the infrastructure, you win every single time. Here's what happens when you actually fix your funnel. When your funnel hits 10 to 12x ROAS, 3 things happen. First, you scale without stress. You are no longer guessing. Your system prints predictable money. Number 2, you don't need viral content. Your infrastructure makes your content profitable, even if it gets 500 views. Number 3, you create unfair leverage. You know something that 95% of your competitors don't. ROAS isn't about ads, it's about systems. And once you get that, the game becomes easy. So if you want, we can install this entire lead generation system and way more inside your coaching or digital product business. Completely done for you, dialed in, but only if you want that level of infrastructure, clarity, and 12x scale. Then, and only then, click the link below and book a free 15 to 30 minute call. We'll look at your current system, point out the leaks, show you what needs fixing, and if it makes sense, we'll help you to build the real machine. Simple as that. See you on the other side.